Hey guys, Mark here again with another edition of the YouTube Cinematography Guide. Today we're going to be going over the basics of composition, which is one of the most important technical aspects of cinematography that you can learn. Over time, composition becomes something like second nature, something you don't really have to think about, but first you need to learn it, so let's get into it with part 2 of the YouTube Cinematography Guide. The first rule that everyone learns is the rule of thirds, and for good reason. The rule of thirds is used universally in all video works and should only be broken in certain circumstances. To understand the rule of thirds, make 4 lines in your frame that split the frame up into thirds vertically and horizontally. These lines form a grid with 4 focal points. These 4 focal points are used to compose most shots. Take this shot from the Titanic. Notice how Kate Winslet is placed on the top left of the frame. Here's Brad Pitt from Seven. Notice how he's placed on the point in the top right of the frame. The rule of thirds shouldn't be broken in most circumstances, but it can be bent. For example, many YouTube videos are shot with one person looking directly into the camera, like this one. Notice how I'm not placed on either points of the frame, but rather directly in the middle. News stations have been doing this for years, and it works very well when you want the main focus of your audience's attention to be on you speaking to them. Let's go back to the frame we were just using. Notice how he's looking to the left of the frame from the right of the frame. Generally speaking, you want to have subjects on the right side of the frame facing left and subjects on the left side of the frame facing right. This is called lead room. There are creative instances where this rule is broken, but we'll save that for another day. Going hand in hand with lead room is headroom. If I suddenly cut to a shot of me looking like this, it looks pretty bad, right? Almost like someone decapitated part of my head. I'm giving myself too little headroom here. This shot is equally bad, just in a different way. In this shot, I have too much headroom. Just a short note here. Though objects in most cases don't have heads, these rules apply to them as well. Here's a shot from my review of the Mackie CR3 speakers. Notice how the speaker stays on the left third of the frame with plenty of lead and headroom? There are a lot of rules to composition, and all of them can be broken for the right reasons. The rule of thirds, lead room, and headroom are just a few of them, but they are some of the most important when it comes to YouTube cinematography. In later videos, I'll be going over some more advanced composition techniques, but for now, these should get you started. So that's it for part 2 of the YouTube Cinematography Guide. If you liked this video, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing, and if you didn't, let me know why in a comment below. I love hearing your feedback. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.